You are the king of monkeys. You have fulfilled the divine mission. In fact, you are the teacher of teachers, the Hanuman who have fulfilled Rama's mission. In fact, you have gone to the Lanka, you have gone searched all over there. And you have brought back the Sikhamani, the precious jewel decorated on the head of Sita. You have brought back and handed over to me. So long the precious jewel on her head, Ravana cannot be anywhere near. He cannot be anywhere near her. It is shining brilliantly. And in fact, you have carried that. You are such a mighty man, great one. And then he was extremely happy carrying. Let's go to Lanka.